इस बार जो वेव है बहुत हम सब जानते हैं बहुत खतरनाक वेव है।
The COVID-19 dashboard for India must be among the most viewed in the world. The number of cases suddenly began multiplying since the middle of April, unleashing a huge healthcare crisis. The capital city of Delhi witnessed the worst shortages of oxygen, ICU beds, ventilators, and COVID drugs. The rising death count came along with loss of jobs and livelihood following lockdowns. Connaught Place, a historic landmark in the capital, has been shut for weeks. I am in front of Wenger's, which will soon turn 100. The parking lot here is hardly ever empty, but today it is different. It has no takers. Perhaps the only visitors are street dogs here. Business has been hit all across, and daily wagers have not been spared either. Rajinder Singh, who's been driving auto rickshaw for 30 years, hasn't seen this bad ever.
30 years में तो है नहीं कोई, 35 years में, 55 मेरी उम्र है, लेकिन इस उम्र में तो बहुत आजकल तो लॉस में जा रहे हैं, इतना प्रॉफिट तो नहीं हो पा रहे, लेकिन खर्चा पानी निकल रहा है। और
कितने सवारी लोग इसमें जाते हैं?
सवारी में तो ये है मैम, एक सवारी पास है इस समय, लेकिन दो तक बिठा रहे हैं। पुलिस वाले तो कोई तंग नहीं कर रहे इसलिए लॉकडाउन के
दिन में कितने सवारी मिल जाती है?
दिन में मिल जाती है, पाँच भी मिल जाती है, 6 मिल जाती है, लेकिन यही है कि जो मिल जाए।
It's worse for Dinesh, who ferries mineral water to showrooms and offices. There's no business left, and all day he waits for the next odd job.
रोटी के तरस रहे हम तो बच्चे भूखे मर रहे हमारे।
तो आप कनॉट प्लेस में अभी क्या कर रहे हैं?
कुछ नहीं कर रहे, हम लोग को मिल जाए कोई दे दे, कोई दे जाता 200-250 कार वाले, इससे खर्चा चला लेते हैं।
Smart bikes are a rage in the Connaught Place area for youngsters, but now they are also lying. I'm at Janpath. Janpath literally means street of the people. But today, this otherwise busy shopping area in Delhi is all deserted. And it may remain this way as Delhi continues to be a COVID battleground. The city's well-known departmental store, Oriental Fruit Smart, next to Giggles, is open as it sells essential goods. But there are no customers here. Started in 1939 by Bratpal Arora, it was among the first shops in Connaught Place. His grandson and third-generation owner, Jitendra Pal Arora, explains the current scene.
There is zero footfall right now. Nobody is coming in because of lockdown, and being in a area which is totally 100% commercialized. We have no residential places here, and no walk-ins because of that. Because nobody is coming out and nobody is being able to visit us. So business is all-time low. We're just managing, just surviving.
Oriental Fruits, like many others, is looking at futuristic platforms to reach out to buyers with no limit in distance.
See, every crisis is an opportunity, So yes, because when we have such kind of things where people are not coming outside and they are really scared to come outside, we are helping them in every way. We are reaching them, whether they are in Noida, Greater Noida, NCR area, anywhere in Delhi, we are reaching them. And we have a minimum order, but sometimes we bear that also. We don't look at the minimum order. It depends how crucial they want it, and we even helping them with medicines and other things which we don't stock normally, which we can procure from local areas, and with our supplies we are sending out those also. Like we have so many cases where people wanted some medicines from nearby chemists, they were not able to find it there, so we got it from them, and along with our supplies we had it sent to.
Many online platforms have come up to cater to the lockdown demands. Gurugram-based on-demand courier service Pidge is one such, delivering anything from medicine and PPE kits to fine dining food from upmarket hotels and eateries. And of course, there's good old Zomato and Swiggy.
थोड़ा बहुत तो फर्क पड़ा है, पहले कब मैं मिनिमम 25 हो जाते थे, बट अब 15 के समथिंग ही ऑर्डर आते हैं, क्योंकि ऑर्डर भी घट गए हैं ना, क्योंकि लोगों के पास अब पैसे खर्च करने के पैसे तो रहे ही नहीं, तो उसी हिसाब से ऑर्डर भी कम है।
इसलिए घटा है कि पैसे कम है, या इसलिए घटा है कि ऑफिसेज बंद है?
इसका कारण ये है कि कुछ तो ऑफिसेज बंद हैं, और फिर मिनिमम लोगों को डर है कि लॉकडाउन पता नहीं कितने दिन रहेगा, महीने 2 महीने 3 महीने कितने दिन चलेगा, तो उसी के हिसाब से लोग अपनी सेविंग को देख के भी चल रहे हैं।
अभी ऑर्डर्स कुछ कम हुए क्या स्विगी के लिए, या कम हुए हैं? कितने कम हुए हैं? अभी एवरेज में कितना मिलता है
और
ऑर्डर?
जो पैसे भी कम हो गए हैं है ना,
अच्छा,
हाँ, पैसे भी कम कर रखी है। ऑर्डर तो थोड़ा वैसे ही है, नॉर्मल जितना था पहले, तो थोड़ा सा कम हुआ है।
तो आप लोगों के लिए जैसे आपका दिन में कमाई कितनी होती है अभी, पहले से क्या कंपैरिजन देंगे?
पहले से अब तो वही है कि बस अपना पेट्रोल का खर्चा निकाल लेते हैं, और जो थोड़ा मतलब वही है 700-800 रुपये,
700-800 रुपए। और पहले कितना होगा?
पहले 1200-1500 रुपये होते हैं।
तो अभी आप लोग सब रोज बाहर जा रहे हैं, डिलीवरी कर रहे हैं, बाकी लोग घर पे बैठे हुए हैं, आप लोगों को डर नहीं लगता है कि इन्फेक्शन हो जाएगा?
काम तो करना है ना, घर का खर्चा तो चलाना ही पड़ेगा ना, तो सेफ्टी के साथ तो हम तो करते ही हैं।
Businesses may have been hit hard, but the Confederation of All India Traders, or CATE, has been batting for full national lockdown. Praveen Khandelwal, Secretary General of CATE, says he has written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi appealing for a full lockdown. What has been the impact of COVID on traders?
If we estimate a rough figure, so that means in last 40 days, the trade across country has lost a business of 7 lakh crores of rupees.
This is
So,
when you're saying 7 lakh crore, that is all India traders.
Yes, that is all India figure.
What is the estimate for Delhi traders?
Delhi is almost 40,000 crores.
But Mr. Khandelwal, this time you have also been pressing for a lockdown in Delhi. Why is that so? Because it's impacting so much business.
Well, because of the simple reason that this time the medical facilities are not available at all. We have seen people starving for oxygen. No bed is available in any hospital. Likewise, all other medical equipments are not available. Even the medicines are not available. In case we keep open our shops. And because you will appreciate that every shop is visited by large number of customers. And we don't know the whereabouts of the customers. So we can't say which customer is carrying coronavirus or not. So therefore, in order to protect not only the traders but their families, their employees and their families, and of course to the customers as well, this time the traders have opted for a voluntary self-lockdown. We have requested Prime Minister Mr. Modi to clamp a national lockdown, because we have seen in the past year, when there was a national lockdown, everything was locked, and that was the reason why we were able to contain the spreading of corona.
COVID has been an unprecedented challenge in Delhi. Some 19,000 people have already died, leaving behind thousands of dependents looking for mere survival. But some are looking for hope still. Nivedita Mukherjee, Business Standard, New Delhi.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.